In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Buffer Polylines command in GeoSTORM. This tool is used to create polygons around selected polylines at a specified buffer distance. Buffering is useful for defining ecological zones, safety boundaries, or influence areas around features such as rivers, roads, or pipes. To begin, go to the Map Edit ribbon menu and select Buffer Polylines. This will open the Buffer Polylines dialog box. In the Select Polyline section, click the Pick button to choose polylines directly from the map view. When using the Pick option, the dialog box will temporarily disappear and a prompt will be shown on the status bar instructing you to select polylines. After selecting, press Enter or right-click and choose Done. The number of selected polylines will be displayed in the dialog box. If polylines were pre-selected before running the command, they will already be listed. Use the Clear button to reset the selection if needed. Next, define the buffer properties in the Buffer Polyline Options section. Enter the buffer distance manually or use the Pick button to measure it from the map view. Then choose the corner type, bevel, miter, or round, and the end cap type, butt, round, or square, to control the buffer shape. Optionally, enable the Dissolve option to merge overlapping buffer polygons into a single feature. In the Map Layer Details section, specify how the buffer polygons should be stored. By default, they are placed in the default drawing layer, but you can choose to create a GIS shapefile layer instead. If you select the GIS option, you will be prompted to provide the output directory, shapefile name, and field schema details. Once the settings are complete, click OK. The software will generate buffer polygons around each selected polyline and place them in the chosen target layer.